this is Dr. Larry Green. I'm the founder of Bokashicycle, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about a very efficient way of handling all of your food waste. This is our Bokashicycle food waste pulverizing machine, which is an electric 3 horsepower Tico Westinghouse motor with a thrashing chamber and a hopper, which I'll show you in the up position. Can accept up to 2 to 4 tons an hour of waste, shredding and pulverizing that material very efficiently and quietly and directing it to a container such as this 55-gallon high-density polyethylene fermenter. The system comes with a stair platform which attaches to the machine on a stand with 4 swivel wheels, so that the machine can be easily moved to any position over or on top of a barrel to make it easy to fill and also easy to pick up the barrel after it's been filled. As you can see, we have an opening here with a thrashing chamber where the chain mechanism for pulverizing the food waste is contained. There's a safety electrical switch here that will cut off and not allow the machine to operate whenever the hopper is in the down position. And in this way, almost any kind of inspection or maintenance can be done safely without having to have a technician or anyone else in the area to help you out. In the upright position, the hopper feeds the thrashing chamber as you empty your food waste into the top of the hopper, which will then exit rapidly and fill the fermenter or the container that you have below the machine. So in this particular case, we're going to use a fermenter. Slide directly into position. We would then mount the stair platform with a bucket or bin full of food waste. No plastic or metal materials, obviously. This is made specifically for pulverizing food waste. And we would just empty all of the contents directly into the hopper. Very quietly and efficiently, the process would be completed. It'll take about 5 minutes to fill a 55-gallon drum, which is going to be about 450 pounds. If you're not using a fermenter, you can also use a standard garbage can or a toter on wheels. You simply slide it right directly underneath the machine, pour the food waste through, and it will be pulverized and reduced in volume anywhere from 100% to 500 or 600%. 1 to 5, 1 to 6 compression can occur when you have a lot of bulky waste. Obviously, if it's more dense material, it's not going to be compressed as much. But the most important part of the shredding, pulverizing, ripping and tearing process is it disrupts cellular structure and makes it extremely efficient for fermenting. So when you sprinkle your inoculant powder on the top of our food waste as it's going through the machine, it will be ready to go and within 10 days completely eliminate the food waste, converting it to something very useful for farming, agriculture, mixing in with the soil and feeding nutrients and microbial flora back to the soil. So that's all there is to it. It's very simple to operate. It can be used indoors or outdoors. You simply need a standard 220 volt outlet, single phase, with a plug, and you're ready to go. Thank you very much. Well, we're taking a close look at the Bokashicycle food waste pulverizing machine, and basically here we're going to look a lot at the interior and some various issues that will be important if you're operating this machine. Here you can see the chain wall that revolves at 1,000 revolutions per minute inside of the thrashing chamber, which forces material then to be directed down and fill a container directly. And this is the hopper in the down position with our feeding tongs that are used to meter and move material out of the hopper and directly into the thrashing chamber. You'll see up above here a 3 horsepower Tico Westinghouse electric motor. There's a easy access using stairs and a platform that allow the operator to easily move up and empty material into the hopper when it's in the up position. We have a standard 220 to 240 volt electrical outlet with a plug. In the transporting and lifting of the machine, we recommend using the chain and bolts that are supplied attached to the chamber where the hopper is also attached with its locking hopper nuts. The stand has 4 swivel wheels that allow the stand to be moved to any position. The platform stairs latch on to the machine so that the stair and the stand won't separate when the machine's in operation. The hopper in the upright position can accommodate a fairly sizable load. It takes about 5 minutes to fill a 55-gallon drum when you are emptying material into the top of the hopper from above. The motor start switch is located conveniently at the end where the platform is, just below the hopper. Just to the right of the starter motor is a toggle switch which will reverse and forward the feeding tongs that are used to meter material as it passes through the hopper. Every machine comes with its barcode serial number and contact information for Bokashicycle.